Hi there! Welcome to the tutorial for making this patriotic wreath. We're going to start with step 1, which will be creating your base. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is move the sign and the ribbon. As a refresher, what comes in your kit is one roll of the border stripe metallic mesh, this really cute sign, these 4 ribbons, 2 2.5 inch and 2 1.5 inch. You'll also receive 2 cable mount so that you can attach this to the back of your sign with pipe cleaners, and then enough pipe cleaners to create the base that I'm going to show you how to create, as well as make a bow and attach your sign. So let's get started with creating the base. We're going to start by putting 12 ties on the wreath base. So I'm going to start by using what I call my outside ring. You'll notice that the wreath base that I'm sending you has 1, 2, 3, 4 rings on it, and then it has brackets. So I'm going to start by working on my outside rings, so rings 1 and 2, and I'm starting at a bracket. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the pipe cleaner and I'm twisting tightly to put the pipe cleaner on. Some wreath makers do choose to put a dab of hot glue on their ties. I don't find that my ties move enough for me to worry about that, especially once I have the wreath created and all of the goodies are on the wreath. So once again, I'm just coming through, taking my pipe cleaners or my Chanel stems, whatever you call them, attaching them to the bracket on rows 1 and 2, which are these first 2 outside rings. Once I get the last one on, then I will go and add the remaining 6 wreath ties or pipe cleaners, and I'll be adding those to 3 and 4. So I'm going to add them to my inside, and I'm going to put them here on 3 and 4, and I'm going to place them in the middle of of each section. So it doesn't have to be exact. And once again, if you wanted to, you could add glue to these if you're afraid that they're going to move. But I can tell you that once we add the mesh and the ribbon to the wreath base, that any slight movement that occurs will not be noticeable. So I just twist and get them all added on. So I've got 2 more. And then this is the last one. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the outside, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the inside. The next step will be to cut our mesh.